From the CBS 2 First Alert Weather Team, this is a special weather alert.
Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Robb Ellis. We are going to be streaming wall-to-wall weather coverage. What is likely to be a very long afternoon because the storms are now on our doorstep. They are just about to overtake LaSalle County. Severe thunderstorm warnings in place, but also a tornado warning that has just approached and moving through Peoria at the moment. That tornado warning is moving north and east, or at least the storm that's potentially producing a tornado is moving northeast at about 60 miles per hour. These are moving very fast. It's why we're trying to get you out ahead of these storms, so you know exactly when they move in. Let me update you with the specifics of what's happening with this storm. 2 tornado warnings currently, and just as a note for our coverage throughout the rest of the day today, I want to bring this to your attention. If we get confirmation or that we know that there's a tornado either on the ground or the radar signature is strong enough, you will see this pink outline of what could potentially be a confirmed tornado, and then a tornado emergency is a step that we hope doesn't happen today, but these storms do certainly mean business. Additional tornado warning along the Mississippi River Valley. The reason we're watching these is because they're going to continue moving north and east, and that will put it in line for places like DeKalb, McHenry, and even into maybe Kane County. This storm, if it holds together, will likely move right into Chicago if it holds together. Right now, the tornado warning is with it, as well as a severe thunderstorm warning. How much of that will survive the trek? Well, it remains to be seen. An additional severe thunderstorm warning to the west. Notice also the shading here, which is slightly different. The severe thunderstorm warning with this darker color outline means that a tornado could be possible within that severe thunderstorm, but there's not enough of indication on radar for a tornado warning to be issued. So you're going to see a lot of that today over the course of the next several hours. Let's talk about radar. This is one of the most textbook looking supercells that we've seen, and now we're starting to see more and more of these supercells line up. Each one of these will likely go tornado warned. In fact, I suspect that if this cell holds together, much like this one, because there's not really a lot around it, they're spaced far enough that they don't influence each other and starve each other for the energy, that this one too will have the potential to go tornado warned at some point if it holds together. There's been a little bit of rain out ahead of this. It may have helped to cool the atmosphere a bit, but to be honest, these are tapping into some of that warmer air right near the surface. These have not yet gone warned for our viewing area, which starts in LaSalle County, but I suspect within the next maybe 15 minutes or so, LaSalle County will at least go under a severe thunderstorm warning. And if we see this tornado warning extended into LaSalle County, we will not only simulcast here, but we'll need to jump back on air for our viewers on CBS to keep people updated. Let's talk about what happens with this cell that's a little farther south here. Let me switch to our velocity channel here, and I also want to get in a little bit closer, because another thing that you're going to be noticing for us over the next several hours that we're going to be spending a lot of time talking about is this, the velocity, the Doppler winds. What you're looking at here, and we tell you this all the time, especially once we get into a tornado situation, green is going to be toward the radar, red is going to be away from the radar. This radar is actually located a little farther to the south. This is not the Chicago radar. This is central Illinois. That implies a circulation. So even though the warning is here, here's the outline box for the warning. This is actually on the southern end of this warning, right there where it says Morton, and there's Peoria as well. I can get in just a little bit closer and show you what we're looking at here. So this is going to be Interstate 74 to Deer Creek. This is south and west of our area, so this does not include LaSalle County, but this is the one that I'm most concerned about once it does get closer to LaSalle County. Let me move the map a little bit. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because there was actually another cell that showed up a little farther to the north. I'll switch back to the radar so you can see it. This one is producing a good bit of hail. We've already had reports of potentially golf ball size hail that damaged some vehicles. Vehicles had to be towed off of the road here near Peoria. I'll see if I can get information on exactly where that was. But where you see these dark colorations, that is likely a very strong hail core, and the circulation is going to be about right here. If there is any bit of good news with the storms that we're going to be tracking today, it's that they will be very strong and well defined, and we'll know exactly where the center of circulation is. We'll also have a decent idea of where the hail cores are.